What's up, man? Yo, what's Yo.
Yo!
What's up?
Well, Radii!
Hey, where we at today, man?
Now we're here at Yuet Tung China Works, Yuet Tung China, which is the first and the very last hand-painted porcelain factory in Hong Kong.
Damn.
Yeah, do you want to check it out?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, but before we get in, just like make sure that you try to walk carefully because it's so cramped inside.
Really?
And I don't want to break anything.
Damn. You watch out, bro.
I mean, see, it's like towers, mountains of porcelain ware.
Whoa.
Crazy, man. I mean, this place is getting more and more popular among the young people because of like social media, and then they have been doing a lot of like workshops with like university, brands collaboration. This is how like I find this place, and I just want to show you guys around.
That's crazy. I saw this place in like magazines and stuff, so I bet it's like some old school, like traditional like vibes to it.
It's crazy.
Whoa.
Yo, this is 張師傅。
Hello， 張師傅。
Hello， 張師傅。係啊，睇下今日畫緊啲咩啊？
畫緊啲青花蝴蝶。
青花蝴蝶，哇！呢個圓真係好勁喎。畫咗好耐啦，係咪？幾多年到啊？
畫咗60年到啦。
That's why.
That's crazy.
60年，做好一樣嘢。
係啊。
好靚啊啲蝴蝶，我都有一個蝴蝶嘅頸鏈啊。
開下眼界先。
開下眼界。
我開眼界就真啦，心有靈犀啊！我哋真係。
哇！
心有
今日特登
靈犀一齊啦蝴蝶。
特登拎過嚟㗎係。
係啊，咁啱。
Nice，好，咁唔阻住你啦。
好啊，我哋行下先，行個圈一陣再翻嚟揾你。
好。
好啊。Hello Joseph。Joseph 係粵東瓷廠第3代嘅接班人嚟嘅，咁跟住佢同埋佢嘅妻子啦，同埋佢個女都有份去打理粵東瓷廠，
同埋我其他兄弟姊妹。
係啊
Hello。
聽講你今日結婚週年喎。
係啊，我好難得45週年都冇嗌交，至到而家。
哦，
恭喜晒啊！
恭喜晒，恭喜晒。
咁今晚一定要好好慶祝喎，同老
所以
婆。
今次特登翻嚟招呼完你之後就可以慶祝㗎啦。
好啊，
好，
咁
咁我哋啊，周圍望下。
我哋周圍再睇下
打攪晒。
先。Thank you. 45 years, man. And I just love that it's like a family business. So you can feel like all the love and everything. Even between Joseph, the owner, and like the other workers, you can tell they're just like a big family.
That's great.
Yeah, and here you can see that more of them are like doing the hand painting. Some dragon for Dragon of Years.
Yeah.
I heard that during the peak time, they had like more than 100 of like staff.
Working on it.
Yeah, working on it.
Wow. The Year of the Dragon is something.
Yeah. And then in terms of pricing, we can kind of get a rough idea here. You can see that for this vest, like the dragon one is like 5,000, featuring like 2 main color.
That's
no,
crazy.
actually 3, like with the black. And then this one with like more color, like gold, is like more expensive, 8,000.
That's fire. Wait. Whoa, they don't only just do like porcelain plates and stuff, huh? They're creative with
this
this
is
too.
cute. Yeah, like a Christmas porcelain band.
That's the East meets West, man.
Yeah, you don't really find it often.
All right.
Let's keep walking.
All right. Damn, it's a tight space, man.
Yeah, just stuff. Hello.
Hello. I have to say, man, like when they're working and they have their own little radio station, that feels so old school.
Yeah, that's like the proper old Hong Kong.
Right.
So here, I just want to show you this one,
Oh.
which worth the highlight. So for this pattern, it's called the governor's motif, which is named after Lady MacLehose. She was one of the most famous clients of Yuet Tung China Works. And then back in the days, there's also a lot of like foreigners requesting some customization with their family crest on the plate. So it was really popular. Like they did a lot of like export trading to the US.
It's fire.
Yeah. And like this one would be like 300 Hong Kong dollars.
Right, so these are the remake of like the piece, right?
Yeah, I mean like from what Joseph told me is like they tried, Lady MacLehose, she wanted to replicate like a broken plate. And they were saying that this kind of looked like the flower pattern from like Turkey, but it's not like 100% sure.
All right, that's fine.
Yeah, but then like for example, this one is the very signature pattern, which is the Canton rose. It's very well known in the West as well.
Damn.
Yeah,
These craftsmanship, man.
I know, right? With like the gold finish.
That is crazy. That is crazy.
Let's keep walking.
All right.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Are you visiting Hong Kong? Where
Yeah.
are you from? Japan? From Japan.
That's
Cool.
sick. That's
Yay.
sick. Hope you guys find something.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We're lucky today that we can see the kiln. Hello. Yeah, so basically after they painted the porcelain, they would put it inside to fire them at 800 Celsius degree. And for this one, it's quite a big one, which they can fire like over a few hundreds each round.
Wow. Actually, it's kind of like a bakery.
Yeah, exactly. So like you can see there were some Japanese tourists, right? Like from what I read before, they are quite popular in Japan because of like a lot of traveling books recommending Yuet Tung China as like a must check out spot in Hong Kong.
I see.
So let's see how's our butterfly plate.
Yeah, I appreciate you too, man, for bringing me here today. Whoa, look at this.
This is so cool. Wow,
The shape.
I know, right? I wonder how much it is.
Don't break it.
I don't want to. 張師傅翻嚟啦，睇下先。哇，就係搞掂喎！
咁快嘅？
我哋睇下啲蜻蜓嗰個翼係超級立體同生動，唔同蝴蝶嘅形態。
通常要畫一隻動幾耐到啊？
都起碼都1個鐘到啦。
1個鐘哦，哇！仲要已經係60年嘅經驗啊
That is crazy. That is crazy. All right, in that case, man, yo, let me catch you in a bit, man. You
Yeah.
gotta wait for the plate?
I'm gonna stay here and like chat with 張師傅 and
Okay.
wait for the plate.
Nice. I'll catch you in a bit.
See ya!
See ya. Thanks for having me today.
Yay!
Hey. What up? Man, this place is fire.